couple ducks here and we're gonna cover them with barbecue sauce and cook them in the roaster.
And we're using Hickory Apple BBQ Sauce from 9 Diamond Ranch.
Why are you kids putting barbecue sauce on duck?
Because it tastes good. Putting barbecue sauce on the ducks, we're going to rub it in and rub it all around.
Now we're gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna bake it at 350 for 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's been 2 hours and 15 minutes and the duck is done.
Time to give this a try. Look at that. That's good duck, and that's good barbecue.